Welcome to this quick tutorial on converting videos to GIFs on both Mac and iPhone using Shortcut. Let's dive right in. For our Mac users, follow these steps. Open Shortcuts. Add a new shortcut. Give your shortcut a name. Search and add the Select File action. Modify the Select File into Shortcut input. Now search and add the Make GIF action. Lastly, search and add the Save File action. And there you have it. You're done. Run the shortcut, select the shortest video, and watch it transform into a GIF on your Mac. Now, for our iPhone users, the process is even simpler. Open Shortcuts. Go to the gallery. Open Essentials, add the Make GIF action, and you're done. It's as easy as that. Whether you're on Mac or iPhone, creating GIFs from your videos is just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and happy GIF making!